What's up, guys? So every single day service companies call us and ask me if I was in their shoes, what would I be doing for marketing. So today I'm going to give you the 5 top marketing strategies that I would use if I was in your shoes. Alright, so number 1, print marketing. This is how I built my entire service business from the get. So if you're young, you probably don't have a budget to mail. That's okay. Print marketing by far is the most cost-effective way to get business. So what would I do? I would go out and I would print a nice postcard that is designed well. And you can go put these on doors, you can deliver these to businesses. It doesn't take a lot of money, it just takes a lot of time. And so as a young business, you have a lot of time. Now if you're been in business for a while, then I would suggest Everydoor Direct Mail. Everydoor Direct Mail is something that my service company does every single month. We send out tens of thousands of pieces and is the most trackable, most consistent way to market. So print marketing and Everydoor Direct Mail would be number 1. Number 2, cold calling, something that nobody wants to do, but it's 100% free and you don't need anything but a telephone to do it. So cold calling commercial properties, okay, not residential, this is for commercial sales. You can get large jobs and all you need is a phone and a business card. If you want to know more techniques on how to cold call and how to get past gatekeepers, I'll put a link below. We did a podcast on this entire topic, but cold calling is our number 2 because it's free and it's extremely effective. Number 3, take advantage of your customer list. Guys, literally hardly anybody's doing this. You need to be calling your entire customer list 3 times a year. In the spring, in the summer, and in the fall. And you're not calling to try to sell people, you're calling to touch base and see if they want to use your services again. This is a good way to not only keep in touch so people remember who you are, but you're reminding people that they need your services. People will appreciate your phone call. And again, this is another free way to get free business. So take advantage of your customer list. Number 4. One of my favorite things is Google Adwords. Google Adwords is awesome because it's a great tool when people are looking for your services on Google. You're popping up on the first page, so you're not messing around with SEO and waiting a year or 2 years to get on the first page of Google. You're on it right away. You're paying to play. So number 4 for me is Google Adwords, and it's my second favorite way to market my business. All right, last but not least, number 5, Facebook ads. Facebook ads is kind of a new thing for a lot of service business owners, but it's very powerful for 3 reasons. 1, it's really cheap. You can pay to have Facebook ads running for extremely inexpensive. 2nd is you're branding yourself nonstop to your community. You can get very specific. You can target neighborhoods, small towns, areas you want to be in. So that's really cool. So you get branding. And then also, obviously, you're going to get a lot of jobs off it. And so for us, if I had to pick top 3, it'd be print, AdWords, and Facebook ads, but they're all great. So ending this video, if you guys have any questions, I'm going to put some links below to our podcast. We did a podcast very similar to this video, and so you can go and hear more specifics on it. Search Service Industry Podcast in iTunes or SoundCloud. I'll also put our email below on our website. If you have any questions about marketing, I'll be more than happy to help you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See ya.